Hey besties, welcome to another episode of Christina Tries. In today's video, we are going to try making money testing and chatting with people on the online space. If you're new on this space, my name is Christina and I'm hosting this series Christina Tries where I talk about all the money making scheme that your favorites on YouTube have sworn will make us millions in no time. Now, if this resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel, turn your notifications so you're notified every single time I drop a new video. Let's get right into this video. So I've watched a couple of videos on YouTube where a lot of people are saying if you chat with people online, they're going to pay you, that people are lonely, so they're looking for people that will chat with them. And first I was in disbelief because it doesn't make any sense. Why would someone pay me to chat with them? But when I've seen different successful YouTubers post about this same thing, and I'm trying to think, okay, this might be true. Why not explore it? But something I always do is I do not want to waste the time of you, my precious. I do not want you to waste data. And like I always say, data is expensive, data is not cheap. So I want to try this out first to see if it works out. And then if it works out, we all can go in and make millions. But if it doesn't work out, you know what to do. You don't even have to try any of these apps that I'm going to mention. So now we're going to delve into this app. We are going to go onto the website, the interface. Let's try and make money. Let's see if it is going to be possible for us to do that.
So the first app we'll be exploring is Rent a Friend, Cyber Friend. So I will go to the website and you can see that you can do video calls, follow your features. You can It's a private and it's a pay per minute and it is secured. So I would quickly get started so that I can register and put in my information. So now I'm trying to read other terms and conditions before I sign up as a caller. If you sign up as a cyber friend, that means you will be the one receiving calls, but as a caller, that means you will be the one calling as a cyber friend. But for me, I will be a cyber friend because I'll be the one rendering cyber friend services to people who are lonely. So now it says welcome cyber friends from anywhere in the world. So one thing I like about this is that it says that you can earn from any place in the world and you can make these connections with them. So I'll quickly go and log in so that I can register. So now I have successfully registered. I've confirmed my email. I will go to my email to try to confirm. I can see that they've sent me an email. I will quickly just use the code and everything to get registered and get started. So now I'll click in the code that they sent to my email. I will type it in and I will submit code. So while I'm waiting for this code to get accepted by rentacyberfriend.com, you have not completed all the required data for being able to accept calls. So even after the code, they said there are a lot of information that I haven't entered into the system. So I will click here so that I can find out the information that I haven't done. You can see that I haven't uploaded a profile picture. I haven't uploaded a bio. I haven't added my date of birth, my language, and other areas of interest. So I'll quickly go and upload an image that I love of myself that I know that people will feel at ease when they see it, and I'll go to my gallery and pick one of my favorite pictures, and then I'll upload. So I'll add in my name, my country. I'm in Nigeria, so obviously I will look for Nigeria here. I think some people have said that they can't find their country here, but Nigeria is here. Luckily for me, I'm going to add Lagos as my city in Nigeria, and then I'll go to areas of interest and about me. So I'm going to write what I love about myself or what I think might interest people about myself that will make them to send me calls, or that will make them to say, okay, this person is someone I would love to talk to. So right about now, I'm clicking the information I want to add in my about me. And after everything, I'm writing that I'm a very good listener, I'm a very good friend, I can listen to your problems, I'm great at giving advice. So things that are just beneficial to your role as a cyber friend, these are what you should add. And obviously, if you find it difficult to find something you want to write as a cyber friend, you should just go to ChatGPT. It's going to do it for you. So now I'm going to click in my year of birth and I'm going to select areas of interest. So, do I have interest in friendship, relationship, music, and things like that? So, what would you want people to call you about? A lot of people will pick relationship because relationship is actually something that sells right about now. A lot of people are interested in relationships. A lot of people are interested in getting advice on their friendships, their relationships, and things like that. So, I'll click on relationships because everybody is interested in relationship now. Everybody talks about relationship in one way or the other. So now I'm going to click in language spoken. So what kind of language do I speak? I speak English. I'm going to write proficient because I'm very good at English, obviously. If not, you won't understand what this video is all about. So if there any other language that you're good at, you can click on that before submitting. So it says, thank you for submitting your application. Our team conducts a manual review, which typically takes up to 12 hours or more. So this is all the information I clicked in. In case if I want to change anything, I can easily change it now. So, but this is perfect by me. So I'm just going to wait for them to confirm, and then we can move forward with receiving calls and just being a perfect cyber friend to people online. So you can see that my picture is up here. I'm now a cyber friend, and it says welcome. I'm going through my dashboard to see if there are any information that I would like to see. So now is the time to accept calls. I'm going to say that I'm online. Important, please keep this page open to see incoming calls. If you close this page, your profile will not be seen by people. So now I am ready to receive calls. I'm waiting on calls to come in so that I can be the perfect cyber friend for someone who is lonely. So the waiting process is the annoying part of everything. So you can wait for hours and hours and hours and not receive a single phone call. That is annoying. So I would wait and wait and wait and not receive a phone call. So now I've waited for like 1 hour, 30 minutes, and no call has come in to say they want to speak to me. So this is the annoying part of everything, that even after going through the process, okay, I will recommend them for their process. I'll commend them. The process was not stressful, it wasn't rigorous. But even after doing all that process, I am here waiting for a call, as you can see, and no single person has placed a call to me as a cyber friend. So one thing I'll say is that if you want to go with this, you have to be patient, because I've seen a lot of people say they received calls, they got calls. So that means you have to be very patient, and that is going to um, make you spend more data, because the more you're online, the more you're consuming data, and while you are waiting, data is also getting consumed. So if I'm going to keep being on this screen for the next 5 hours waiting for a single call, that means I am going to wait for a long time. And also, you have to set your rate. I set my rate at about 5 cents per minute, so that it's very cheap and people can easily call me and say, oh, this one is cheap, let's call her. But still, there's nothing. I'm not receiving any call, and you can see that it's kind of a waste of time at the end of the day. So the next one we're going to be checking out is remotely for you, and we're going on Chrome and just type in remotelyforyou.com, and it's going to take us directly to the website. So this is the remotely for you website, and it says use cookie. I'm going to accept all cookies. Welcome a chat operator. So this means that you're going to be chatting to people and work from anywhere in the world. Obviously, I'm going to fill in all the information. I'm typing out the information now to fill in my name and other information like that, which is going to appear on my bio, and which chat members are going to see and want to, click to me. So this is the requirement: you must have your own equipment, you must master English and writing, and you'll be trained by us. Your age limit is 18 years and above. You must have internet access and you work independently. So this is all the requirements, and these are like kind of reviews and 5-star ratings by customers who have used remotely for you, and they're just giving great recommendations, great reviews, and this is really prompting me to want to take a chance on this and get registered and just get signed up. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to click in my name, my mail, and everything so that I can get signed up immediately. So they said start the application process. Here you can see I filled in everything and I'll send my application. So once my application has been sent, you're going to see an a message like this. Thank you for filling out the form. You soon receive an email from us with the information. So now I have to wait for them to send an email to my phone because I've included my email in the application process. So you can see that I'm also scrolling down to see their other requirements, and I'm saying that they're going to train me, so I really don't have any problem using this. So I've waited for this email for quite a while now, and I haven't seen anything so far. So I'm still just waiting on the website, just trying to be patient for them to send email to my phone, but yet there is still nothing. No email has been sent, and I'm still looking at this information where they said I should check my spam. So I'll go directly to my mail now, and I haven't received any email from Remotely for You in my mail. Now, to be sure, like they said, I'll go to my spam. Let's see if there is any mail in my spam, like they said. And I'm just scrolling down. There's nothing, really, there's nothing. And my spam is right here, and I'll just click on that, and still there is nothing from Remotely for You.
So I'm glad that we've come to the end of this video. You can see that at the end of the day, only one of this app was able to complete all my steps. Some were not even available in Africa or in Nigeria, and it was just a total waste of time. After waiting for so long, none of these people responded. The ones I waited to chat with, no one chatted with me in return. So at the end of the day, I didn't really make any money at all. I am sad because I've wasted my data, but I am happy that at least you know that this is something that you shouldn't try. And you can see that this website that I used, I mentioned every single one of them so that when you encounter, you know that, oh, it is time again for me to hear rubbish so that you know that this is a waste of time. So guys, if this video resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel, turn your notifications so that anytime I drop more video on Christina Tries, you'll be one of the first people to notice and just watch my video, gain the knowledge, and just know when to skip a video when they start talking about making money through any of these websites. And until next time, my besties, I love you guys. Bye.